So again, I will discuss the problem for quiz 1. So first thing is, what is the gain for inverting and non-inverting op-amp respectively? We know that the gain for the inverting is minus RF by R1, and for non-inverting is plus RF by R1. So this option, third option, is correct. Clear? Now here for this problem, this is 1 point. Now this is 1 marks. Okay. This is 1 second. So this question is of 2 points, 2 marks. Problem 2. So here we have to find I1, I2 and I. So what will be the I1? I1 will be 2 by 2. 2 volt by 2 kilo ohm. That will be how much? 1 milliampere. That will be 1 milliampere. So I1 value. So I1 will be 1 milliampere. Okay. I2 will be 3 by 2 kilo ohm. That is 1.5 milliampere. And I3 and I. What is I? I is nothing but the summation of I1 and I2. So I will be 1 plus 1.5 milliampere is 2.5 milliampere. Okay. So this is the answer. So I1 is 1 milliampere, I2 is 1.5 milliampere, and I is 2.5 milliampere. This is the answer. What is the V naught? So V naught for third problem, what is V naught? V naught is nothing but current into voltage. So V naught will be minus of, what is the current flowing here? Already we have seen that I is minus 2.5. This is 2.5. So 2.5 milliampere into 1 kilo ohm. 1 kilo ohm. So that will be how much volt? It will be 2.5 volt. Here, this is the answer for third problem. And the fourth one is very simple. How many operational amplifier are used for designing instrumentation amplifier? Answer is simple, 3. Then again, for the circuit shown below, find the value, find the V1. For this, if you see the this one voltage and that inverter is a non-inverting terminal. If you find the voltage is V1, you will end up in having how much? What is the answer? 0 volt. Clear? If you are having V1 as 0 volt, then V naught will be also 0 volt. So you can write V1 is equal to 0 volt. Clear? And here, this answer V naught will be also 0 volt. Clear? Any doubt?
Sir, actually you have
So
given
only
one
marks
limitation
should be
in quiz
message you,
2, no, sir?
Wait, one by one. Tell me.
So you have given that limitation in quiz 2.
What limitation?
Limitation of DAC, that weighted resistors. We have written it as it is not available. We require those weighted resistors which is not available. It is not readily available.
That is correct. You can, meaning should be same. You can give full marks for that kind of response.
Okay.
That is, it's just it. Meaning should be language. If you are having subjective type of answer, you can choose. You are free to choose your language. You should